Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Commerce Catalyst. Today we have start one more questions. So the question is on 1st October 2021, Prema Oil Mills purchased a second hand machine for rupees 1,80,000 and spent 20,000 on its repair and installation charges. On 31st September 2024, the machinery was discarded and sold for 1,40,000 and an amount of rupees 4,000 was paid as a dismantling charges. So the books are closed on 31st March every year and depreciation is charged at the rate of 10% per annum on retained down value method. I already discuss about that method because I already told you we have to understand, we have to key point in this chapter in the precision, the date, and another one is the method. So in this question again, retain down value method. So retain down value method means reducing balance method, or it is also known as a diminishing balance method. Generally we have to understand in this sector machinery in the two method. First one is the fixed installment method, it is also called original cost method or straight line method, and another was in the diminishing balance method, that is the reducing balance method or retained annual method. But in this question we have to learn the calculate the profit and loss on sale of machinery. So in this question, these are the technically things to learn how to calculate profit and loss on sale of machine. So first, this is a format. This is a format of machinery account. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount, CR or DR. There one debit, CR not credit. In the bookshop, in the books of Prema Oil Mills, Prema Oil Mills machinery account, machinery account on 1st October 2021, the 1st October 2021 to bank account. How much? 1,80,000. Machinery purchase 1,80,000. And installation charge, it means to bank account. Installation charge. How much? 20,000. Means 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. So this is the depreciation. So every year, it means the 1st October 2021 to 31st March. In this question, the on 30th September 2020, the machinery was discarded and sold 1,40,000 and 4,000 of smelting charges. So the books was closed 31st March every year. So 31st March every year, meaning 31st March every year, any 22. So this is the key point because date. So 31st March 2022 by depreciation account. Depreciation account. How much depreciation account? Because 2 lakhs is the cost and 10%. So 2 lakh into 10%, how much? 20,000. But we have used only 6 months. So 10,000 is the depreciation. How calculate? 2 lakh. Why 2 lakh? Because you know the depreciation equal to, what is the formula? Depreciation cost of assets. So cost of assets means purchase of machine plus installation charges. So cost of assets minus scrap value divided by life of assets. If percentage is not given in the questions, but in this question percentage is already given, so there is no need to use that formula because already in the questions given the 10%. So 12 lakh into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. So cancel, 2 cancel, 2 5 10 cancel. Now 2000 into 5 10,000. Now write down here 2 lakh so by balance CD, CD means carried on. How much? 1,90,000. Now in 1st April 22 to balance BD. BD means brought down. How much? 1,90,000. In this question on 30th September 24. So 1st October 21, one machine, second machine was purchased 1,80,000. Installation charges is 20,000. So 2 lakh the value. Depreciation charge on that year is the 10,000. So 1,90,000. So 1st April 2022, 1,90,000. So write down here in this year 1,90,000. One lakh 90,000. And now 31st March 23 by depreciation. How much? 19,000. Why 19,000? Because this is the diminishing balance method. So diminishing balance, reducing balance, or retained on value method, the same thing. Because retained on value method is also known as diminishing values method and also known as the reducing balance method. So retained on value method, diminishing balance method, and reducing balance method is the same. So if 1,90,000 into 10% whole year, because so this is the 19,000. 19,000 the depreciation. So now the by balance CD by balance CD. How much? 1,71,000. So 1,71,000 in 1st April 23 to balance DD 1,71,000. 1,71,000. Now 1,71,000. So on 31st March, the depreciation value is the how much? 31st March 24. Again depreciation account by depreciation account. How much? 17,100. So 1,71,000, 1,71,000. Now 1,71,000 minus 17,100. It means 1,53,900. 1,53,900 by balance CD. Now 1st April 24 to balance DD. How much? 1,53,900. 1,53,900. But in this year, on 30th September 2024, the machinery was discarded and sold 1,40,000 and amount of 4,000 was paid. Dismantling charge. तो अब 4,000 जो है ये एक्सपेंडिचर है, तो यू राइट डाउन हियर इज द 4,000. ओके, ये 4,000 हो गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, जब नाउ वी बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट, and sell it. Why sell? Because we sell 1,40,000 by bank account. 1,40,000. So my dear friend, this point is the very concentrate point, because depreciation charged in this year only for 6 months. Why? Because the machine was sale 30th September 24. So April to 30th September. So April to 30th September, it means 6 months. So depreciation charge 1,53,900 for 6 months only. Correct? And so how you calculate? Just like 1,53,900 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. So very simple. 6 2 is 12, 2 5 is 10. Now 1,539 into 5. 5 9 is 45. 5 3 is 15, 4 19. 5 5 is 25. 1 26. 5 1 is 5. 7695, and 7695 is the depreciation in this year. 7695 is the depreciation. So it means now the key point is how much get profit or loss in this machine. So you understand. You have to understand. 1,53,900 is the machine value, and plus 4,000 is a charge. So 1,57,900. And depreciation charge 7,695. 1,57,900 minus 7,695 and 10,500. 1,50,305 is the actual machine value on dated 30th September 2024. But we have sale 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 the sale value. So it means loss. In this machine, loss, how much loss? 10,305 is a loss. So in this machine, 10,305 is a PL account. By PL, the loss account 10,305. 10,000 10,000 10,000 50 5 sorry, 10,205. So 10,205 is a PL account. So 10,205 is a loss account in this list. So in this question, too important to understand the profit and loss on sale of machinery. Profit on loss on sale of machinery. So in this question, the loss on sale of machinery, loss on sale of machinery is 10,205. Thanks for watching.